May lote si Sir Romeo, pero walang oras para i-manage ito. Busy business owner ka din ba? And may lote ka na gustong i-develop? Si Sir Romeo, isang successful na negosyante. Pero may problema siya. May lote siya pero wala siyang oras para bantayan o i-manage ito. Nag-consult siya sa amin sa Dream Archon. Ang goal, gawing income generating ang lupa niya pero dapat low maintenance. Kasi bilang busy businessman, hindi siya pwedeng ma-distract sa main business niya. So we studied the site and recommend a structure na low upkeep, long-term rental income, pwedeng ipamanage kahit wala siya sa site. Hindi lahat ng property pare-pareho ang solusyon. Pero kung magka-partner kayo ng architect na may puso, we can design it based on your lifestyle, goals, and capacity. Sir Romeo didn't just get a plan. He now has a roadmap to passive income with peace of mind. Kagaya ni Sir Romeo, baka may lote ka rin na pwedeng kumita kahit busy ka. Let's design it right. Book a consultation with Dream Archon today. At follow us na, baka mawala pa ako sa feed mo. Sayang yung tips ko.